This one get you. I wonder who would have do that.
Now go find out from the security here.
No, that's what we need to do. Don't worry about it. I got this. Hello? Front gate? Yes, it's Mr. Mullins. I need a list of all the cars that came and left over the last hour. But let me help you. I'm looking for a blue Honda. I need the license plate number and I need who the driver claims to be. Not tomorrow, boss. Yesterday. I don't want it from yesterday, son. I want what happened today. But quickly.
How are you run for job?
Miss Bag, a long time I can't draw. From me, a little girl, and I continue to be at school.
You have that talent here and nobody don't know?
Can I see that? It seems we may have found a sketch artist for the agency.
You know about that?
Sir, you have any idea who that could be?
It looks like someone who came barging into this office about a month ago, full of himself. Hello? Really? And you're certain? Thank you so much.
Sir, give us some information on the leave we not the dog.
I'm sorry, didn't mean to keep you in the dark. You know what they say about mushrooms? Jonathan Majors.
Who?
Jonathan Majors. The little chihuahua that the minister sent in here to try and shut down the agency.
Huh? You're joking, right?
No.
The minister? Who? Marcus Wallace? He want to shut down the agency?
Sorry. We're going to have to brief you. I realize you're a little behind on this one. Not your fault, ours. But we'll bring you up to speed.
So that being said, you might investigate it.
I would imagine so. The minister has made his move. And it's a clever move.
Alright, so how we deal with this?
Sir, I can go film now, you know.
Ah boy. As tempting as that sounds, we're going to play this a little differently. I just need to do a little digging.
One more digging we'll have to do. We don't have no time for that.
Tonya, whisper. Take your moment now. Sukari, have a seat. I am very aware that yourself and Mr. Savage have in recent times not agreed with some of my methodologies, and that's fair. But never, ever, ever again question my competence in front of junior staff.